The market has been down a lot. Just in the last month, my portfolio was down 5%, but that is quite a bit better than the S&P 500 as it is down over 9% this month. Today I'm going to be talking about my thoughts on future outlook of the market and what I'm doing to take advantage of this pullback. In the month of April, I received $76 in dividends. That is 34% higher than last month. One of my goals in 2022 was to consistently grow this dividend income, and since many companies are down, we can jump on buying discounted shares to increase our dividend income. We can see in the month of April, I received a steady stream of dividends from both stocks and ETFs. Some notable companies are Bank of Nova Scotia, Algonquin Power, and Power Corporation of Canada. Since these dividends are paid quarterly, we won't expect another payment for another few months. Since the market is pessimistic in the short term, I will be adding to holdings that I already own, while I look for other deals that may arise during the next few months. An interesting company that is trading at more reasonable levels is Telus. At a share price of $32 and a PE ratio of 26, I see Telus as a decent deal right now. And if Telus falls below $30 a share, I will be adding to this position quite a bit. So that is the strategy on my TFSA portfolio, since it holds individual stocks and Canadian ETFs. As for my personal portfolio, I'll take a different strategy. I'll be looking to dollar cost average into 3 ETFs, in addition to the 3 Canadian ETFs already held in the personal account. As the market continues to fall, I look to average into VOO, VTI, and BND ETFs. I've chosen these broad-based ETFs to combat the individual holdings I've held in my TFSA portfolio. Over the short term, this may be more risky than holding decent individual companies that I know will perform in the near future, but I intend to hold these ETFs for over 15 years and reinvest dividends where I believe the market is discounted. If you want to know more about what is held in these ETFs, comment below which ETF you'd like me to review in my next ETF review series. In order to dollar cost average into these ETFs, I will need a US currency account. So I will be upgrading to Wealthsimple Plus so that I can place these trades without commissions. Comment below if you use Wealthsimple Plus and if you believe it is worth it for US currency transactions. Going back to my Excel sheet, I see that every account is on a positive trend when looking at monthly dividends. And this is where I choose to track my progress instead of looking at account value over time. During volatile periods when the market is down 5, 10, 20%, it can be scary to see thousands of dollars being lost every day. As I build up wealth and gather income, I will have hundreds of thousands of dollars in this account and will need to stomach large volatile swings in the market. So focusing on income growth may be very valuable when these accounts are very large. So I will not be selling any shares in the near future, but instead buying shares at discounted prices as the market falls. It's important to move away from the herd mentality and stick to the original decisions I made about all of these companies. I will not let a group of strangers dictate my financial decisions. If you want to follow along with this financial journey, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for future updates.